And speaking of kabanata, do you really think that First Lady Lisa Marcos will leave it at that?
I don't
Or
think.
palagay mo may mangyayari pang susunod kung hindi man siya ang lumabas muli sa, on TV? Do you
Uh,
think there might be other efforts, kung yun yung ganun binabasa yung kanyang TV interview, to try to get VP Sara out of the cabinet?
I think so. Dahil for now nga, siya yung pumupuno ng political vacuum.
Mhm.
Wala kang spokesperson, na katulad ni Panelo tsaka ni Harry Roque, mga attack dog tsaka defender. No? Hindi ko sinasabing mga asong ulol, ha? Wala ko sinasabing gano'n, ha? Sabi ko attack dog. Baka kasi isipin ni Ina tsaka ni Michael, mga asong ulol yung sinasabi ko. Walang gano'n. Walang gano'n. Don't put words in my mouth.
Ay,
So,
oh.
tapos wala rin tunay na ruling party sa ruling coalition. Wala rin mga cabinet secretary na nag-scale up to defend the president. Kung napanood mo yung Shogun, ganun dapat yung role ng cabinet secretary, falling on their swords.